apple, red and bright. B for ball, it bounces right. C for cat, with tiny paws. D for dog, with happy jaws. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fish that loves to play. G for goat, who likes to run. H for hat, under the sun. I for ice cream, cold and sweet. J for juice, so nice to eat. K for kite, flying high. L for lion, strong and sly. M for moon that shines at night. N for nest, so warm and tight. O for owl, who says hoo-hoo. P for pig, who loves the zoo. Q for queen, with golden crown. R for rainbow, up and down. S for sun, that lights the sky. T for train, that passes by. U for umbrella, in the rain. V for van, on the lane. W for watch, that ticks all day. X for cellophane, let's play! Y for yak, with hair so long. Z for zebra, singing this song.